And if you hear this on the...
Hey man, what's going on?
What's going on?
What are you up to, bro?
I'm just doom scrolling, the usual.
Man, I can show you something better than that. You want to go check out some mosaics?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, let's roll. Wow, would you look at all this? What is this? These are mosaics. You made all these things? Yeah, I made all of these. Wow. You could probably make something like this. I mean, I don't think I can make something like this right now, but maybe something simple. How about I tell you a bit more about it? Yeah, sure. Tell me about it. So if you've ever felt overwhelmed, mentally exhausted, or just stuck in doom scrolling, this video is going to explain why you should start doing mosaics. Today I'm going to talk about why you should start considering mosaic art, not just as a creative hobby, but as something that can genuinely improve your mental clarity, focus, and overall well-being. You're not going to believe me, but mosaic has helped me a lot. We'll talk about that in the next video. First, mosaic art forces you to slow down. In a world where everything's instant messaging, instant content, instant results, mosaics are the exact opposite. You got to cut one piece at a time. You got to place it one at a time, slowly, and you focus on the small little details. And without realizing it, breathing slows down, your thoughts quiet down, and it becomes almost like meditating, especially when you put some calming music on in the background. Sometimes I like to burn some incense. It really gets me in the zone. There's also something incredibly calming about working with your hands. Simple act of cutting tiles and shaping them into these little pieces. For example, here are these smaller little pieces. Something about cutting and shaping and cutting and shaping to fit all of these little pieces where they are supposed to go. It's really calming. It's really calming. Second, it's hard to overthink your problems when your breathing slows down and you're concentrated on getting that one tiny piece to fit perfectly. It helps clear brain fog. A lot of us spend our days staring at screens, social media, emails, notifications, constant mental noise. Mosaic art gives your brain a different kind of stimulation. It's creative, but it's also tactile and physical. You're measuring, adjusting, solving small visual puzzles. That kind of focus, hands-on activity strengthens concentration and improves patience. Instead of consuming content, you're creating something real. And I emphasize, it makes you focus. It helps you focus on something for longer than 8 seconds before you scroll on to the next video. Third, it gives you a break from social media without feeling bored. Man, let's be honest. Most of us reach for our phones when we're tired or stressed, but scrolling really doesn't make us feel better in the long term. Sometimes it makes me feel worse. Mosaic art gives you something productive to replace that habit. It fills the time, but instead of feeling drained afterwards, you feel accomplished. You look down at the project and think, man, I made this? And it's really rewarding. You can't understand the feeling until you do it. And it almost, you don't want to stop. Then you gotta go to sleep. So you gotta stop. You look down at your project and you think, man, I made this? This is beautiful. My grandma would love this. In fact, I'm probably gonna give it to her. Fourth, it builds resilience and patience. Mosaics aren't perfect. The tiles break wrong, pieces don't fit, the design changes, you learn to adapt, and you learn to accept imperfections. And over time, you start to see that these mistakes often make the piece more interesting. So I really think you should give mosaics a try. They don't have to be hard, they don't have to be big, and they don't have to be perfect. But it's a great way to turn your brain off and just focus on doing something productive. And in the end, you've created something beautiful that you can have forever, or share, or gift someone. And it's really a great feeling when you get finished and you look at your work and you think, all the time I could have spent doom scrolling, I made this. And sometimes, I'm not gonna lie to you, I have some podcast or some other video playing in the background to hear some white noise, I guess, while I'm making this. So you don't even have to miss the content you like to watch. You can be watching the content that you like to watch while you do something productive. I hope you'll give Mosaic a try. In the link below, there's some really easy starter kits you can get. You can make coasters, picture frames, and these sets include everything. I'll order one of those sets and I'll do a full unboxing and we'll make it together. Maybe a coaster set, because everyone can use some coasters. I hope this video helped you and explained some good reasons why you should get into making mosaics. If you have any questions, video ideas for the next video, leave it in the comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe, and be sure to catch the next video where I explain how I got into mosaics and how it's helped me. See you then. Interesting, very interesting. Maybe I should get into this instead of doom scrolling and watching pointless videos. Seems like fun. Give these to my grandmother or my mom or my girlfriend if I had one. But well, I'm gonna try. Let's see how it goes.